Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we're firing up the Kamodo Joe, and we're going to be making a surf and turf burger. It's going to be a burger with a crab rangoon cheese on it. So let's get going. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our crab rangoon. This is a very simple recipe. I've made this before in the past. Basically, you can use this as a dip, you know, with some nice baguettes, some nice crusty bread. You can take this and stuff it in some wonton wrappers, deep fry it. You got the traditional Chinese crab rangoon, but we're just gonna make this mixture, and we're gonna use it as a topping for our burger. So I got some cream cheese in there. We got some nice fresh lump crab. And I'm gonna probably start out with, I don't know, a little less than a cup. Some green onions. I got the white and the green in there. Got a little bit of soy sauce. And some Worcestershire sauce. That's it, nice and simple. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this. We don't want to smash that crab, so we just want to get this mixture going in there. It's important to have that cream cheese room temperature. We just keep folding this in. I'm also going to hit it with just a little bit of sriracha sauce, kind of kick it up a little bit. You can also add some Old Bay seasoning in there, which is really good. I didn't have any on hand, but I think the sriracha will work just fine. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and set this in the fridge, let it set up. Let's go ahead and grill up some burgers. Alright, we got our Kamodo Joe Classic heated up. I got the skillet that comes with the Kamodo Joe. Got some nice ground tri-tip with some salt and pepper. Alright, let's put this bad boy together. We got our brioche buns nice and toasted. Gonna hit it with just a little bit of mayo, not too much. Got some butter lettuce. Nice big red tomato. We'll get our tri-tip patty on there. And a nice big dollop of our crab rangoon. And that's it. Nice and simple surf and turf burger. Let's cut into this. Nice. Alright, let's give this a try. That's pretty good. You get that crab flavor, definitely. The crab comes out. The burger's nice and juicy. Get a nice crunch from the tomato. I probably would add a little bacon to this. I think bacon would be killer on top of this. And I did wish I had some Old Bay seasoning, because that would also be killer in the mix. If you make it as a basic appetizer that you wrap in wontons and deep fry, or you make it as a dip with some nice good crusty bread, this is definitely a killer recipe that you got to give it a try. Remember, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.